Okay, this is a autonomous motorcycle here. It has a front end steering dual wheel and a rear drive wheel with a chain. Also, it has a air compressed suspension system that actuates this linear air pneumatic cylinder here to adjust the suspension of the cycle. Steering is accomplished by a servo mechanism on the front. The motorcycle will pitch as it steers. You can actually see the thing leaning as a real motorcycle would. It would lean into the turn. So actually it has really good motion on the leaning and turning. So you can actually see it centered up here, and then we go through an automatic sequence, and you can see it pitching left and right. And basically, with the gear ratio on this, the motor is rated for 5,300 RPM. Yeah, you'll get about 4,200 out of it. And with the tire and the chain ratio I have, this motorcycle should hit 55 miles an hour. So we're hoping to get some good speed records out of it.